Hey, welcome, Richard Huntley here, back with a brand new video for you, and today we're going to be looking at an at-home arm exercise which will help give you those lean toned arms. This exercise is really quick to do. You can do it at home, no excuses, no equipment, and you can get it done in fast time. Right, let's get started. Here are the 4 points for this exercise, and it's the push-up arm lifts. You can put a little punch into it if you want. Great exercise to do. Try and keep a bit of a plank shape, and then you can progress to going up to a full push-up when you're strong enough as well. Activates those arms, so it's really going to target the arms and the core too. It's such a good exercise. It's going to get you in fat burning mode, what we call, and 10 repetitions. This will be the challenge for you guys. I'm going to go 10 reps and then have a little rest, stretch off the arms, and then do 9 reps, and then you're going to go all the way down. Now, if you're a raw beginner, I would literally say, look, start on 5 repetitions and go down. If you're a little bit stronger, go for 10. But I'm telling you, by the time you get down to the count, all the way 10 down to 1, you'll find it very challenging. But start at 5, that's what I would say, and if you're a bit stronger, go to 10. Start from 10. So, point 4, start on the knees, okay? Especially lots of the people that follow my YouTube channel, they're trying to lose weight, get in shape, and maybe they don't have the strength yet to do a full style push-up. The more weight you lose and the stronger you'll get, you're going to find them easier, obviously, because you're lifting less weight too. So there you go, guys, a great exercise combination move for you to use, and it's really going to tone up those arms. And take action on it, just like all of my videos. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the get notifications tab, because recently YouTube have made a few changes on that, so you can make sure you get fired to your email inbox when my new videos shoot your way. And grab my free plan. Make sure you hit the like button, share it with your family and friends. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Take action on what I've shared with you today, and have an amazing day.